Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some amazing 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday, August the 26th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do have a few quick reminders that I wanted to go over with you all. Number one being that I did upload the 5 off $25 prep video for you all yesterday. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. It is something new that I'm doing here on the channel, so check it out. Leave me some feedback. Plus, I think it's going to be really helpful for a lot of people, especially when it comes to figuring out substitutions for your scenarios. Maybe you get into the store, they might be out of stock of something. You may have already used a coupon that I included in a scenario. So that video is jam-packed full of really awesome deals. Now, speaking of substitutions, I also wanted to point you guys to the giant glitch list video that I uploaded, I think about a week and a half ago. A lot of those deals and glitches are still a go. So if you need to go back and refresh your memory, the video is linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, also, I wanted to point out that since we all love those super low out-of-pocket deals, that we had a huge penny list this week. We had tons of surprise pennies, and we have tons of coupon matchups that will go right along with those penny items. There's still a penny today. So if you find those in the store, make sure that you scan them. See if you have a digital coupon that will go right along with it. If you are at an old register store, that overage will apply to the rest of your transaction. Now, if you're at a new register store, unfortunately, they no longer allow for overage. So it will just make your item completely free. But if you missed any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. That way you're not missing out on any awesome deals. And like I said before, they're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Now, also, I want to give everybody a quick warning, because in this video, we are going to be stacking those awesome DG store coupons that we have for laundry products. So Purex, Snuggle, All, and Gain. So long story short, last Saturday, I ran out to do some Gain deals. First transaction worked out perfectly. No issues whatsoever. The 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25 digitals stacked and worked together. Again, no issues. Second transaction, I had all of the same exact products, and for whatever reason, those digitals were not stacking and working together. Now, I had to void the transaction several times, try different scents, tried everything. I scanned, rescanned. Eventually, it dawned on us that we had not tried to scan a 5 off $25 paper coupon. And sure enough, as soon as we scanned that paper 5 off 25, everything worked out perfectly. The math came out correct. So make sure if you have any paper 5 off $25 coupons, stick those in your wallet just in case. And that way, if you get up to the register and you have any issues, that is one thing that you can try to see if that fixes the problem. And of course, y'all know your girl loves a good investigation, so I'm definitely going to try my best to get to the bottom of this. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. All right, now let's go ahead and jump into these 5 off $25 scenarios. First up, we are going to be stacking the Arm & Hammer Instant Savings. You're going to instantly save $5 at the register when you spend $15 on Arm & Hammer brand products. Now, the trick is with instant savings, if you want to include them in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, you must add the amount of instant savings to your $25 subtotal before coupons. Also, don't forget that on Wednesday, I posted 3 different Arm & Hammer deals. So if you guys need some substitutions, you know where to find them. For this scenario that I've put together, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents priced at $4, one of the Arm & Hammer scent beads priced at $3.50, one of the Arm & Hammer large liquid laundry detergents at $9.50, 2 of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25 each, 1 Bic razor at $5.50, 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each, one of the Charmin Essentials bath tissue, 1 count at $1, and one of the Bounty Essentials paper towels at $1. That is going to put your subtotal at $31. The $5 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal down to $26. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, your 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, and you want to make sure that you ring up that small liquid laundry detergent first. That way this 1 off 1 applies to that product. Then you're going to need the 1 off 1 Arm & Hammer scent beads and the 3 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, the 150 off 1 Airwick product, another 150 off 1 Airwick product, the 4 off 1 Bic razors, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, the 50 cent off 1 Charmin, and the 50 cent off 1 Bounty. And after coupons, you're going to pay $5 for 9 items out of pocket. But we still have that $3 cashback offer on the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. So if it stacks, you're going to get back $3. That's going to make your final price $2 for 9 items, making each one just 22 cents each. All right, now for our next scenario, we are going to be taking advantage of this DG store coupon. It's $5 off when you spend $15 on all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products. So this one is a really quick, simple, and easy deal. You're going to pick up 4 of the Purex packs or pods, whatever you want to call them, at $4 each. 1 of the Downy scent beads priced at $5. 1 Always Discreet liner at $3.25, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.25. Now, I do want to mention that last week I received a couple of comments about the Crest Pro Health toothpaste not working with that 2 off 1 digital coupon any longer. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with that. Maybe there's one out there with a different UPC code. I'm not quite sure, but I picked mine up on Saturday and it worked out perfectly, and it still looks like that 2 off 1 coupon is applying to the Crest Pro Health toothpaste in the dollar aisle for $1. So again, just make sure that you scan your products and make sure those digital coupons show up underneath before you go up to the register. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 5 off 15 all in Purex DG store coupon, the 3 off 1 Downy scent beads, the 4 off 1 Always Discreet, and the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste. After coupons, you're going to pay $6.25 for 7 items, but you're going to get back $2. 50 cents on each of those Purex pods that you picked up. That's going to make your final price $4.25 for all 7 items, making each one just 60 cents each. All right, up next, we're going to be doing a gain scenario. So this will include our 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon, and this one does expire today on Saturday. All right, so for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain powdered laundry detergent at $9.95. Now, you guys can substitute for the other $9.95 Gain laundry products. However, I wanted to include the powder because we normally don't get good deals on those. So next up, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scent beads. They are on sale, 2 for $15. Regular price $7.50 each. 1 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean Clean Freaks at $6. 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1. 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes at $1 each, and 1 of the Always Discreet liners at $3.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $37.20. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain and your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 3 off 1 Gain scent beads, the 3 off 1 Gain or Downy scent beads, the 2 off 1 Mr. Clean Clean Freak, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest, and the 4 off 1 Always Discreet. After coupons, you're going to pay $8.20 for 8 items, making each one just $1.02 each. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.